Guys, I would like to thank you guys. 1,000 subscribers! 1,000! Holy mother of Glenn! Birthday sa akong mama ron. Mga S-friend, because of you guys, I have reached 1,000 subscribers. It's a milestone, my friend. It's a milestone. So I would like to acknowledge you guys by answering all the questions you have asked to me. Magsugod aning. Jerry May Likayan asked, Glenn, do you believe in love at first sight? Sad news guys, no bro. I don't believe at love at first sight. At second sight? Pwede. At third sight? Pwede. Jundel Sopena asked, Glenn, may right med ba nito?
Pag kailangan ng gamot, huwag mahihiyang magtanong. Kung may right med ba nito? May right med ba nito? Pag may
Iris Johansen Kempron asked, ang tanong, ang forbidden na tanong, tinanong niya, single pa ka, Glenn? Utang na loob, kaibigan naman, oh. Kailangan pa ba yan tanungin, ha? Kailangan pa ba yan tanungin? Ang sakit-sakit. Ang sakit-sakit. Bakit ba, ha? Bakit ba ako? Ha? Ang sakit. Wala pa rin eh. Single pa rin. Single yung ko. Ito, ma, pa. I would like to meet you, my girlfriend. Ano ba? Diba? Eh, maulaw daw siya. Next year mo daw siya magawas. The random guy asked, Glenn, no girlfriend since birth ka? Utang na loob ba? Ba't kayo naman personal? Kauyab sa ko eh. Kadyo tranon to, mga 3 years.
Kadyo tranon to, mga 3 years.
You are my everything.
Sheena Septimo asked, Glenn, paano kung ikaw na pala si the one? Abay, wala tayong magagawa niyan. Kapag ako ang naging the one mo, and I will love you forever and forevermore. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And shout out pala sa babaeng nagpapatimbok ng puso ko. Jara, sino itong boyhan na Jara Mariposque. Hi. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe mga kaibigan, no? And also, feel free to comment whatever you want so that I will read those comments and I will reply. Okay? So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And peace!
How can I get your love?